Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 1992 Volvo 740. All of the headlights are accessible by simply reaching behind their bulb housings. No tools nor extensive parts removals will be required. Similarly, all of the taillights are located in a single housing and are accessible behind a single panel in the trunk lining. Though you may need a tool to pry the panel off, it removes without hassle, allowing for reliable bulb changes whenever necessary. The engine air filter is quick to find in the bottom right corner of the engine bay. No tools are needed to disengage its housing, which lifts up easily to allow you access to the filter itself. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. The fuse box is in an unusual location behind the gear shift in the cabin of the vehicle. You'll need to shift the car into neutral before you can pry the fuse box's cover off, which is a rather convoluted setup. Unlike newer models, the center brake light is not an LED bulb, and will thus require more maintenance over time. You'll need to remove a cover and pry its housing out of the vehicle for access, which can be a rather tedious procedure. Accessing the oil filter will be particularly challenging. For drainage purposes, you'll need to remove a large panel from underneath the vehicle that's secured by multiple differently sized bolts, and then you'll need to reach through the engine bay in order to actually reach the filter. Both of these positions will prove cumbersome to work in and may expose you to hot engine parts. Overall, the 1992 Volvo 740 is a relatively easy vehicle to maintain, and despite its age, proves to be a rather good choice for the new or inexperienced vehicle owner.